Industries have changed over the years. They're demanding more, it's a faster pace, and they need more out of the products that help them get the job done, and that's what our product provides.
Flexovit is a leading manufacturer in high-performing products of abrasive design. We manufacture cut-off wheels and grinding wheels and supply a variety of different abrasive solutions. It's all about finishing a surface.
Flexovit started manufacturing cut-off wheels and grinding wheels on this site back in 1978. Now, St. Gobain purchased us in 1998 and they've continued to invest in the plant as we go forward.
Our products are utilised by a number of different industries: construction industry, DIY and home improvement, automotive, metal manufacturing and manufacturing processes generally.
Companies using our product are saving time and they need to be durable so they can get through as many cuts as possible, which being a more premium product, it assists with their downtime, so that's where we come into it.
Quality builds from the beginning of the product, so it's very important that we check our product from the start. It's important because we want to make sure that our product has the highest standard in terms of safety, and we also want our product to be safe for our customers.
Safety is very, very high on our priorities. It's our number one. Our customers trust the product because of the safety factor built into the wheels, because at the end of the day, we want people to go home the same way they came in the morning.
We check for speed burst, side load and side impact, and all data is recorded per batch of wheels that we make.
Being here in Australia makes it a lot easier because we can just go and visit the customer. It makes it easier to react to customers' requests and needs, which means we can improve a wheel or we can manufacture a wheel to suit their needs.
We understand what they need, so we build our product based on that. We are able to work with them to make our wheels more efficient, more stronger, more long-lasting.
The customers use the product every day. It's effective for what they do, saves them money, saves them time, so that makes us proud. And then being able to provide the backup service to go with it. If they've got problems, they need help, they need assistance, they need guidance, we're there for them.
Personally, to me, the Australian-made logo means jobs for people here in Australia, innovation in Australia, and I'm very proud to work for an Australian manufacturer.
I think the Australian-made choice is really critical. The product's been known and developed a reputation for being very reliable. We've got to make it here for the local conditions.
We have a workforce of long-term employees that are proud to be making Australian-made products. We all want to see the continuation and the investment in industry in this country. We want to see this country grow and more jobs as a result of it, and everybody is proud to make Australian-made.